Welcome to our video series on multiple choice strategies, how to study, and test preparation tips. Taking a test is not much fun at best. When you take a test and make a stupid mistake that negatively affects your grade, it is natural to be very upset, especially when it is something that could have been easily avoided. So what are some of the common mistakes that are made on tests? Put your name on the test. How could you possibly forget to put your name on a test? You would be amazed at how often that happens. Tests without names are usually thrown out immediately. Marking the wrong multiple choice answer. Work at a steady pace, but that doesn't mean bolting through the questions. Be sure the answer you are marking is the one you meant to mark. If the bubble you need to fill in or the answer you need to circle is C, don't allow yourself to get distracted and select B instead. Answering a question twice. Some multiple choice test questions have two very similar answers. If you are in a hurry, you might select them both. Remember that only one answer is correct, so if you choose more than one, you have automatically failed that question. Mishandling a difficult question. Skip difficult questions and return to them later, but beware. First, be certain that you do return to the question. Circling or placing a question mark beside it will help you spot it when you are reviewing your test. Secondly, if you are not careful to skip the question, you can mess yourself up badly. You read the next question, which you know the answer to, and you fill in that answer. You continue to the end of the test, then return to the difficult question only to discover you didn't actually skip it. Instead, you inserted the answer to the following question in the spot reserved for the harder one. Easy to do. Pay attention, focus, and work slowly and methodically. Incorrectly transferring an answer from scratch paper. This can happen easily if you are trying to hurry. Double-check any answers you have figured out on scratch paper and make sure they match what you have written on the test exactly. Thinking too much. Generally, your first thought is your best thought. If you worry too much, your self-doubts can trick you into choosing an incorrect answer when your first impulse was the right one. You can't outsmart the test. Yes, there may be a few so-called trick questions, but usually the questions are very straightforward. Don't waste valuable test time trying to outthink the test makers. There are no secret formula. Always answering choice C to multiple choice questions is a myth. Most tests are compiled by computers and the answers randomized. Thanks for watching. Visit us online at www.test-preparation.ca.